In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can remove a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Lastly, hit delete next to edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!